Okay, so in this video, we're flooding my map. We've already started it. I just forgot to record. So we're already pretty high up. If you're wondering about my maze, the maze is like completely flooded. Look at this. It's nasty. I don't own them. No, he's not a pirate. He's not wearing. Okay, so I think we're just gonna raise it up by 3. I think that's a good idea. 2, 3. I think I said 3. So there it is, raised up by 3. The whole. Oh yeah, I completed my other challenge. There, look at this, and it's like mostly flooded. I don't know why these are called inner tubes, but these are called inner tubes. Ugh, why is your thing made out of this? Turn this on. All right, it's the wrong music. Okay, we're raising it up by 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't realize they had a palm tree. Taking the flying. Woohoo! What? Oh yeah. Okay. Where's my water painter? Bum bum bum. Da, 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 da. Yeah, but you can't press the button. Oh my god! The blood sea. Let's check it out. Wait, I'm gonna take away my floaty just. Wait, let's check out the rides. Let's check out the rides. I'm going on the black ride because the black ride is just 10 times funner. Woo! We're not going the wrong way. Whoa, and it still shoots me out. Well, let's see if I can inner tube clutch. I don't think I can. It's too late. Ugh. Boring. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, I think. Wait, no, one more. Okay, I think that's 5. Wait, I'm gonna fill it up straight to the hangout sign. We're gonna raise it up to that sign. Oh, I forgot to. No one should subscribe to him. Nothing. Oh, it's getting dark now. Oh, wait, this is scary. This is cool. Look at this. Wait, let's go explore the maze. Let's go explore the maze. Let's go explore the maze. Come on, bro. Come on, we're on creative, so anything you touch can break. Because you can only press buttons in creative mode. Okay. I think so. Oh, no, it was this way. We came from this way. Move. Use your propellers. You can go faster with the propellers. Oh, there it is. I found the exit. Idiot. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. Oh, they do. They don't? Guys, we're gonna raise it up all the way. Oh, I didn't mean to paint it purple. Guys, it's all the way up. Wait, guys, let's go on the gray slide, because right now it's going to look really cool. Okay, cool. Woo, it takes you back to the island. Okay, I'm going to paint it pink. I just want to see what that looks like. Ugh, that hurts my eyes. Yeah, I think this is the end of the video. This looks way cooler than I thought. Yeah, this is way cooler than I thought. If I make it hit the top, then you have to subscribe. You have to subscribe.